Hi everybody, good morning, and I am about to ship everybody's parcel today. So before I do that, I just wanted to highlight the newly ordered welcome gift box for all those pending members. And of course, my upcoming members, those who are going to get in future days, whosoever subscribe us in any of the categories of stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3, barring referral kit membership. Referral kit is only about MX referral, so those members are not eligible. So please do not have any hard feelings, because that has been the program and I have been doing from a very long time. So this is a newly ordered welcome kit which is about to be delivered today with the help of a courier, and I have already contacted so many people via call for address and all those things, and I've received it as well. So this is a little different box. Again, the quality is same, but the color is somewhat different. So let me just open that for you guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right, this is how the kit looks like. Let me showcase to all of you one by one. I'm just gonna shift it, turn it as well. So this is a diary, the beautiful diary which I'm about to share to all of you. There's a branding of mine, the credit card live. So this is the diary which you all are going to get. Let me just open that. So yeah, this is a diary. It's quite premium, guys. Trust me, it's not a cheesy product, because I don't believe or even use any kind of cheesy product. So this is a very nice bit. You can see that there's the logo of mine, the credit card live, and it is absolutely, it feels premium when you touch it. So this is a beautiful diary which I wish to give to all those remaining and pending members. That's number one. Number two is a credit card holder, which is this. Again, a good looking credit card holder. Let me see if I can open that for you. Just a moment. Yeah, so it opens like that. All right, you can keep at least 5 to 6 credit cards for sure. And this is the way it looks. Again, a premium feel, premium touch for sure, and has a very nice look as well. Okay, so that's number two. Number three, I'm going to give you a keychain which you can use for your 4-wheeler or 2-wheeler, whatever you want to use it, for your house keys as well. And this is utterly beautiful, looks premium, has a branding of mine, and I'm very happy to see that these kind of gifts are going to all of you, because you all have been very patient with me, and I just cannot thank you all enough for your kind support and appreciation. So this is a little token of appreciation for all of you, especially the members, those who deserve it, those who are authorized together. And then I have this beautiful pen where you have my marking, my logo, and it's a nice pen, looks decent as well. So this is all you get in the box. I'll just showcase one more time to all of you. You should be able to kind of see it, and very soon it should be delivered to your household or wherever you live in India. Thank you so much.